before here us today are members of the Igbo community. Part of them though, not all of them. And they are led by the highly esteemed special advisor to His Excellency on Igbo matters, Honorable Monday Chijuba. I will give you a round of applause.
Honorable Monday Chukwuji.
Chukwuji, sorry for that. Honorable Monday Chukwuji. Igbo kwenu. Igbo kwenu. Kwe.
Good afternoon. Sorry, my name is Honorable Shirley Solomon, UBC Kwez. Here on my right, this is the essay to the Governor on Interethnic Matters, Igbos. This is the PG General, Honorable Barrister John Agu, the President General of Igbo Community, Ogun State. This is High Chief Nnadi, the assistant, special assistant to Igbo One, the king of the whole.
I get all of you.
This is High Chief Mike Hanuka. He is the father of the youth of Ogun State Igbo community. This Mrs. Miss here, the only child lady, the woman leader of the whole Igbo community, youth in Ogun State. My dear brother, the lady here is also a member of Igbo community. Don't go there. For Trace Commander, CEO Ogun State Traffic Compliance and Enforcement. Other honorables, commanders here present. Commandant, PRO that are here present. The ASU, those that are here and their representative. The President General of Igbo Community, Chief Barrister John Agu. The President Igbo Community Youth Ogun State, Honorable Shirley Solomon, Chief Honorable Monday Chukwuji, essay to the Governor of Ogun State on Interethnic Matters, members of Igbo Community Youth here present, High Chief Mike Okocha, Chief Press Secretary to Ezendi Igbo of Ogun State, Igwe Wuli Okonkwo Ejimkonye, members of the press, ladies and gentlemen. Seni Ogunyemi for the Trace Commander. the CEO, Ogun State Traffic Compliance and Enforcement, for accepting the Igbo community, Ogun State's courteous visit. Today marks the beginning of another relationship between our comrade, Commander Seni Ogunyemi, and the Igbo community in Ogun State. This call for a loud commendation because every sustainable relationship and cooperation developed from a single step and his singular move, we will cherish it, continue even in the future. Important to us is the provision of employment opportunity to qualified Igbo sons and daughters resident in Ogun State, which we know you are capable of doing to us. You know, on behalf of Honorable Monday Chukwuji, Special Assistant to the State Governor, confirm the work of Comrade Seni Ogunyemi. That is why he deserves this award today, being Monday, 6th June 2022. Comrade sir, once again, we thank you for accepting our courteous visit today, which admittedly have united us all. Thank you and God bless you all. And thank you.
Thank you very much, Honorable.
We don't look into ethnicity that you are this, you are that. If you can work, you can work. And they are doing fine. They are all doing fine. The last ASCON that we did, employment, we still have one Igbo here that's working with us. So we don't worry about that. When they fought for the slot from trace, because we still have on the table of government that we need to employ more, to recruit more. So you can do that. Then I want to assure you, at least there will be slots to be given to you.
Like officers, I greet you. And I greet Commander and Chief Executive Officer of Trace. I greet you very well. I'm my learned brother. Yes, sir. I greet my learned senior brother. I just want to make one or two remarks as the President General of Igbo Community in Ogun State. Our coming is timely, it's necessary, because we believe that after this Ogun State, after the indigenous people, and what I mean by indigenous people is not only the indigenous of Ogun State. I mean Yoruba people in general. Immediately you remove the population of the Yorubas in Ogun State, the next in population is the Igbo. Exactly. Which means all the distance we have. So that one makes us to have one or two things to do with Trace on a daily basis. We assure you of the cooperation of the Igbo community. And I pray that as you are working, the good side of government work is what you are going to see. You don't see the wrong side of it. You retire in peace. And if you are leaving this force, the agency, without retiring, maybe you have a higher post commitment somewhere. I pray for that to you, all of us, in Jesus' name.
The wonderful work of Trace over the years.
The award was given by the father of the youth, Yeah, look at Diana, what is